Hey, Scott Austin here from Jade Puma. In this video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of Den House. Den House is a store that we recently did a redesign of. So it's an existing Shopify store, and we use the Turbo theme in the redesign. And they sell dog dens that are also, they're high quality dog dens, so they look like furniture, or dog dens, not dog dens. They're high quality dog dens that look like furniture, so they fit into the decor of your house. So here on the home page, you can see the color scheme. We've got this light blue color that I really like, and a contrasting darker brown. Same as going on up here in the Den House logo. And they also have some really good lifestyle photography. So you can see the dog den here in white as it exists inside of a living room. What we're doing here is explain. There's a bunch of different dog den models that they have. So right on the home page, the dog dens are their premier products. We just explain the differences between the different dens. And we walk through them one at a time with this alternating layout, showing the different den options that are available for the dogs and their top-selling bed also. So let's go back up to the top and show you how we did that in the navigation also, because they sell more than just dog dens. They also sell beds and some other dog products. So we used the mega menu functionality, the Turbo theme, and we did these aren't transparent PNGs because the PNGs were just too large in size. So I actually made them into JPEGs. I made transparent PNGs and then threw a background color in that matches the drop-down blue color we're using in the Mega Nav, and then turn them into JPEGs. So we did that for the dens and for the beds with the Mega Nav. And I really like the way the products pop with that background color matching the blue from the drop-down. And then we also have a Shop More function, which shows the other different categories of products that you can buy. So they have, dog grates or door grates that are add-ons to the den, some travel bags, and other dog care products. Let's go back to the den's main page. And on this page, we've also got another, nice big banner ad of that product in use in a home, lifestyle photo. And then we just show all the dens again for the customer. We do the same thing with the beds page. We just show the different bed options there. Now let's walk into, actually, that's a good looking German Shepherd there. That's a good photo. If we look at the dens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to their Townhouse Elite and show you what a product page looks like. So here we have swatches for the color selection. You can choose between the mahogany and the espresso. And we also have some icons for some of their value props. So they have free shipping in the USA, so we put that as an icon right next to the add to cart button, so people are very aware of it. And we also have free shipping on all US orders up here in the top bar. This was some custom coding we had to add. It's really easy to do, but had to add some custom code to the Turbo theme to put that in up there. And also these products are patented, so we made a patented icon that matches the color scheme of the site. They've got a frequently bought together app already in place in the store that actually works quite well, because you can buy the den and also at the same time get the dog bed that fits it, and maybe get a little charcoal air freshener in case the dog's kind of stinky. And then we're using product tabs at the bottom, and this is custom code that we added in to the Turbo theme. And based on different variables, some of these are the same content across all the products, and sometimes it changes based on a tag or maybe the product handle. There's different logic for each one of these. So the first one is an overview that explains a lot about the den house and the den that you're looking at. And there's features specific to that den that's stored in the meta field. There's sizing tabs. There's different sizing for each of the dens. Have different sizing. Some are for larger dogs, some are for smaller dogs. So it explains that for the customer. Those are actually stored in pages, and then based on which product is selected, it picks the appropriate page. We've got a reviews tab from the Stamp.io reviews app. And then the why dens, why do you need a den for your dog? Just an explanation for people who are on the product page and really wondering, do they need this for a dog or not? And then a little bit of a story behind that particular den. So now let's go down to the footer and show you some of the evergreen pages we have here. The first one I'll show you is to contact us. We now switch to outdoor happy dogs lifestyle photography We've got a few of those, that motif going on the site also. And here we have the details template the Turbo theme does with some alternating text, contact us box, and a nice little Google map at the bottom also. Then we also have a couple other, so sizing chart. I talked about on the product, we have a tab for sizing, and each one of those is driven by a different page. And what we did on this page here is the tabs are now just for the different dens, so you can quickly go and see on the Bauhaus, what does the sizing chart look like for that one? You can see it's for small and medium dogs, but then you can also see, for instance, on the Townhouse, that's for small, medium, large, and extra large dogs. So same information, just shown in a couple different places, so people, regardless of where they are on the shopping experience, are going to be able to find the information they're looking for. We also use the FAQ, the accordion treatment for FAQs. That I really like the way that opens and closes. So we did that on an FAQ page. We also did the accordion functionality. I think it was helpful hints. Yep, we got that FAQ page, and there's a happy dog with its ears bouncing up. It's having such a good time outdoors. We also have, I think there's one other page I wanted to show you here. Yeah, we have a reviews page, which is a summary of all the reviews from shop.io or stamp.io reviews information. And we're also here in the footer, we've got that review seal from stamp.io showing the total reviews. And this is a new app for them, so there's only 11 reviews, but that number will automatically go up as new reviews come in. So that's really helpful for the customer. And you can see here in the header, we've got the top bar. We talked about the free shipping information up there already. But we've also got the phone number in there to build trust to the customer, letting them know that there's actually a published phone number. Put that front and center on the site. And it's also a sticky nav here. So as we scroll down the page, the sticky nav starts popping up with the important shopping information. So you'll notice what we have going on in our header nav is just product shopping, right? And the search box. We don't have anything about us. We got a lot of story information. You see down here in the footer, there's some why Den House, Den stories, model profiles, all sorts of information here. Let's look at the Den stories one, for example. All sorts of information here about the different products and how to choose between the right one for you and all that good stuff. We have that there, but in the top, we kept it focused just on the browse shopping experience. So that is the Den House site refresh that we did in the Turbo theme in a Shopify store. Thanks for watching.